So here's hands-on exercise number 3. And for this hands-on exercise, I want you to take the code from the previous video, the previous example, and that's going to print out a slice for you. You have a slice with 10 values in it, a slice of ints with 10 values in it. And I want you to take that slice of int and I want you to slice it. So you're going to use slicing and you're going to get these values right here, these values right here. So I'll get you set up, I'll get you started, I'll show you where to start, and then I want you to do the slicing, I want you to do the hands-on exercise, and then I'll show you the solution. So to get set up, we're just going to click this link right here, the code from the previous example, and I'm going to get rid of this format printing where we see the type. I'm going to get rid of this range right here, and I'm going to copy this and copy it, and we're going to have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 different solutions. So there's just kind of the starting point. We could do 1, 2, 3, 4 different solutions. So I'll do my solutions, then I'll have the whole thing printed out. And I want to just print it right here. I need to change that to print line though. So print line, print line, print line, print line, print line. All right, so that's the starting point. Do your slicing and then come back and watch this video. Okay, so here's the solution. So the solution, the first one, we want 42 through 46. And so 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through 46. Remember that when we do slicing, we put brackets right here, and then we use the colon, and we want to do 42 through 46. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the 5th index position 5, right? Even though it's a 6th value, that's index position 5 because we start at 0. So we want everything up to but not including 5. The one right here is not including. So when I run this, this should give us 42, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 42, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The next one is we want 47 through 51. So start with your brackets, put the colon in the middle, and we're going to start at index position 5. So starting at index position 5 and including that, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is including that at 5, then print everything up through to the end. When you don't specify a value, it means all the way up to and including the end. And here, if you don't specify a value at the beginning, it's starting at the beginning up to, but not including whatever you put there. So when we do that, we have 47 through 51, and that's what we wanted, 47 through 51. Now we're going to do 44 through 48. 44 through 48 is what we're going for right there. So we want 0, 1, 2. We want 2, so we're going to put in our brackets, put in our colon, starting and including 2, and we're going to go from 0, 1, 2, 44, 44 up through 48. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to but not including 7, up to but not including 7, which will give us 48. And so that gave us 48. Sweet. The next example is pretty similar. It's 43 through 47, so just stepping it down one. But I'll talk you through it. Start out with our curlies, put in our colon, and we want 43, 0, 1, so starting at and including position 1, which is 43, and then going up through 47. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to but not including 6. And that makes sense because we stepped it all down, so it went from 2 to 1 and from 7 to 6. Now we're going to format that and run it. And you can see we have 44 through 48 and 43 through 47. So that's the solution to using slicing on a slice.